Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout. Today I'm going to be doing another video on my OnePlus 7 Pro. This device is just wonderful. I wanted to go over the battery life and the performance that I've been having the past couple of days. I picked this up on Friday. Today is Tuesday, so I spent the weekend with it and everything like that. And I just wanted to go over with some of the performance and battery life, stuff like that, how I've been doing with that. First things first is the battery life is amazing. I didn't even plug this thing in last night. We're at 52%. Last full charge was 22 hours ago, and screen on time is 2 hours and 28 minutes. So it's got a lot of standby time in there, which is why the battery is a little bit lower and the screen on time is a little bit lower. But if you're using this device constantly, you can definitely easily get 5 to 6, maybe pushing 7 hours depending on your settings and usage out of this battery. It charges extremely quick from 0 to 50 in about 20 minutes. That is not a joke. That is not just some claim OnePlus made. I've tested it. It charges extremely fast. The first 0 to 50% are pretty fast. I would say about 50 to 80% are alright. And then 80% to 100% is about where it starts to slow down because the battery starts to fill up. So it charges a little bit slower, which is completely normal. So if you're charging from like 90% just to top it off to 100%, it is going to take you probably about 10, 15, 20 minutes to get that last 10%. But like I said, if you're completely dead and you need a quick charge just to get it up to 50% to leave the house for the day or something like that, easy 20 minutes, no problem. No issues there whatsoever. Performance has been wonderful. I just updated this to version, let's see, what version are we on? 9.5.6. This is the T-Mobile version, so that is the T-Mobile 9.5.6 update. It seems to improve the fingerprint sensor just a little bit. It's extremely fast now, not that it was slow before, but it is very reliable, very easily unlocked, no issues there whatsoever. So battery life, performance, everything has been excellent. The screen is just amazing. I've got it on 90 Hz on the highest settings, and that really isn't affecting battery life for me. I haven't tried it on the lower resolutions, but I've got it on QHD+, and I've got it on 90 Hz, and it really hasn't had much of a negative impact on the battery. Like I said, if you turn those down, you're going to save a little bit of battery, but the battery is so good that I'm not trying to find ways to save battery life because it's not needed in my opinion. Now, if you're using this phone constantly all day long and you do need to get a little bit more out of the battery, change that down to full HD and change it down to 60 Hz if you don't mind those, and you'll probably save a little bit of battery life and get maybe a few more minutes out of it. But I haven't had to use battery saver. I haven't had to change any settings to try to squeeze out any little bit of battery. Most times I don't even plug this phone in at night. I just charge it up when it gets low, and that is good enough because it charges so quickly. So overall, the phone has been holding up great. I've kept it in this case. This is the one that comes with it, just the clear TPU style case. I do have some other cases coming for it from Spec, Ringkey, and I do have the OnePlus Premium bundle that I'll be reviewing as well. That should ship hopefully today. I ordered that a couple days ago. But that is the mirror gray finish. It's got some fingerprints on it because I did use it out of the case for a bit. But the mirror gray just looks amazing. I think the blue looks wonderful too, but the blue is a little bit more of a popular option right now, so it's quite hard to find. But this is the OnePlus 7 Pro. Again, I did a 24-hour review of it, but this is just extending upon that on the battery life and stuff like that. This phone is amazing. I honestly have no complaints about it. It's one of my best Androids I've tried so far since I've used an Android phone. Any OnePlus device, I think this is definitely the one. The value for the money compared to like a Samsung S10 or S10 Plus, a Google Pixel 3, 3A, whatever, the value on this is just tremendous with the 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage. $50 more gets you 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. So the value is just wonderful, no doubt about that. If you want to pick up a OnePlus device, go ahead and check out my link in the description below. Using that link does get you $10 towards accessories, so you can get a case, you can get a second charger, and save a little bit of money on that if you use that link down below. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.